Hi guys, Jill here. I'm going to be doing a quick video tutorial to explain how to do the knit under the loose strand stitch that's part of my looking glass hat pattern. So what we're going to be doing, as you can see, we've created these bars from your previous round where you slipped your stitches. We're going to be going underneath those bars with your right hand needle. So you're going to take your right hand needle, go underneath that loose strand, into that stitch on your left hand needle, wrap your yarn around, and come back out underneath that loose strand, and then slip your stitch off. I'm going to show you that again. We're going to knit till we get to that next bar or loose strand. Okay, now I've reached it. I'm going to go underneath that loose strand, into the stitch on your left hand needle, wrap your yarn around, and come back out underneath that loose strand, and then take it off your needle. And as you can see, you've created a little upside down V. If you have any questions, make sure to message me, and I hope this video was helpful.